Hey, Craig and Jack here with our Cell City project. Okay, now let's give you a tour. We will start out with the nuclear membrane because it's one of the most important things. Not the most. So we built a moat of lava and water on the back to protect the nucleus because that's what nuclear membranes do. Next, we have the town hall as a nucleus. Okay, Craig, it's your time to shine.
The town hall runs the city. And the nucleus runs the cell. So the town hall is exactly like the nucleus.
Okay, so these books represent DNA because books hold information about stuff and DNA is practically information. Okay, Craig, where would you like to go next?
Post office.
Okay. So we have the post office, which represents endoplasmic reticulum because it packages stuff up to get it ready to be sent out. Okay. So right here we have two mine carts. One is the lysosomes and one is the Golgi complex. This one is lysosomes because it packages stuff up and sends it all the way out to a lava pit. This one is the Golgi complex because it packages stuff up and sends it outside, which I will show you in part 2. There's a kind of like a cell. It's like a village, and it has a post office out there. So I will show you. This goes all the way out to a lava pit. Usually we'll use a minecart with a chest so we can put stuff in it so it'll be incinerated. So yeah, it goes all the way down here and speed up so it gets down here faster. Wait, what? Craig, something broke. So yeah, it would come. Craig, why are we standing there? So it comes all the way out here and into this lava pit where it would get destroyed. Which I will show you right now. So yeah, it just goes into there. Okay, Craig, let's go back to the post office. This Golgi complex, there's a villager in the track, so I can't really show you where it goes. It goes all the way out there. You can kind of see the village. And there's a post office out there. Like I said, I'll show you in part 2. So, next we have this field of cake, which represents mitochondria. Craig, would you care to explain?
Well, this field of cake provides food for the cell.
Okay. Or food for whoever would be living in this town. So, yeah. And next, this is also the same thing, just a different example. Animals in a pen. They can be slaughtered to make food, like meat and stuff. Next, we have, it's right over here.
The food court.
I was going to do the green wool in the ground stuff cake, but
Okay.
so we have this green wool in the ground, and it turns, and there's cake on top because it's chloroplast, which is energy that turns stuff into food, turns energy into food. Okay, next we have the food court. Food court represents ribosomes. Come on, Craig. Okay. Would you care to explain it again? Craig.
Okay, well, the food court also turns food into energy so that the cell has energy to function.
Okay, so back here we have chest with food that is cookies, and this says golden apples. And we have furnaces back here to cook stuff and crafting tables. And it even has working lights. Look at that amazingness. And it even has like the emergency lights and stuff. So yeah. Okay. Now to the cell membrane. All the way up here. We have this yellow wall equals the cell membrane because it acts like a sponge and absorbs some stuff, like the good stuff, but not all stuff because it could be bad for the cell. For example, water is good for the cell, so it comes in from this lake I built out here, and it goes through the cell membrane, into here, through here, and into the vacuole, which I guess we will go to next. So this warehouse is the vacuole. This is the food part, this is the water part, and this is where the water comes in from outside. Kraig, we don't need squid. So, next, we have this waterfall fountain thing.